Did you know Facebook is unveiling a new portal hardware? This is that device that everybody was like, why, there's no way I would put that in my, this is the scariest looking thing ever, probably. In your house. Imagine you come home and you look at this thing, Will. You're like, oh, that's just my Facebook portal. Yeah. Hi, I'm home.
You know, I saw a demo of this. It actually tracks you, like it rotates.
Yeah, it moves around the room. It follows you. It's a camera. It's not enough to have a camera looking at you at home when you're relaxing in your underwear. But then it follows you around the room just to let you know it still sees you, Will. And of course, in the commercial, they're like, nah, it's friendly. It's all friendly. You're cooking. You're in the kitchen. You're cooking. And you're talking to family and friends. You know, the way a commercial would be, obviously. Look, the kids are like, woo, we got the portal. Hi there. Hey, Grandpa. Check me out. I'm here. You know, it's scary. I don't know. This was not received well. And maybe some people did. I think there's a lot of apprehension specifically because it's the Facebook brand, guys. I mean, you tell me. Facebook, did that instill confidence in you? Does that seem private to you? Does that sound like, do you hear privacy when you hear the word Facebook?
Anti-privacy.
Yeah, you hear the opposite. A lot of people hear the opposite. You want Facebook in your house in camera form when you're doing that stretch. Can you rewind there, please, Will? You know?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Don't you want this while you're cooking?
No, you don't, Will. You don't.
You know?
I don't want a Facebook
Cooking
portal,
a
okay?
steak.
I don't want it. I apologize. I don't want it. All right? I apologize. Facebook, Mark, I apologize. I don't understand. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're trying to do. Like they say, like in this thing here, it says hardware is coming to the home. And we want to make sure that human connection between two people is a first-party experience on that hardware. Imagine saying that sentence, Will. Imagine I came in here this morning, and that's what I said to you.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
a nightmare. It sounded like a nightmare. You see? And that's, anyway, that's their official statement. I feel like they're a bit out of touch, I'm going to be honest. A bit out of touch how the public perception of that brand, what people want from them, what people are really looking for. Like, is it a portal, Will? I don't know. Not me, not you.
It's a portal of lies.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is. That's not what people are looking for. Maybe that's what it is right now. Lots of privacy scandals. This brand, I mean, Facebook has had trouble with almost all of its hardware experiments. Remember there was a Facebook phone that nobody wanted from them? Like, it turns out, I don't know. I just get this feeling that there's a kind of a vibe around this brand, Facebook, and people's comfort level with that brand. I talk to a lot of people in the street. Yeah, it's anecdotal. I talk to people, and people are like, yeah, I still use, yeah, I got a Facebook, but I'm barely there, this and that. It's just not, maybe they should have just called it something else completely. You know, like Instagram is still hot, maybe because it's not called Facebook. Maybe that was the best acquisition they ever made. People feel like it's something different. And maybe they should have some other name completely for their hardware project. Because Portal from Facebook, it's freaking me out. And I'm sure I'm not alone. You guys let me know what your opinion is on the matter. But I don't want to come home to that thing tracking me around. I'm not ready for that. Like, people think voice assistants in some cases can be intrusive. You know, the little Google Home or the Alexa or whatever. Now you got this guy following you around? That's the next level. I'm not feeling cozy with that guy watching me. That's me. With that guy watching me. Does that make you feel cozy?
No.
I didn't think so.